Hi everyone, so this is grade 1 theory continued. This is module 5 on the abrsm syllabus as it's listed on the www.mymusictheory.com site. If you want to go and see the written instructions for the module and the exercises that follow, go to that site. The last video that I shot was time names of notes. Now I'm going to do time names of rests. Okay, so just to recap on the notes for grade 1, we have what we call a semibreathe, a minim, a crotchet, a quaver, and a semi-quaver. All right, so those are the notes you have to know for grade 1. So when you're playing these notes on your instrument, this tells you how long you must hold this note for. If you're playing this C and it says it's a semi-breathe, you need to hold it for 4 counts. Ba, off, okay? If you're playing this minim, ba, off. Crotchet, ba, 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 as in beats. But there's also a symbol that designates how long you must not play for, okay? A symbol to designate not playing for 4 beats, not playing for 2 beats, and so on. So the rests correlate to the actual notes. Okay, so let me show you how these are written. So here you have a semi-breathe, and its rest is a black bar that hangs from the line. All right. For now, it must be written on the 1, 2, 3, 4th line from the bottom. In grade 1, please put it there. Don't put it on any other line. Sometimes when I've taught this, some of my pupils thought that it could be written on any line. For now, no. In bigger arrangements, possibly, but for now, on the 4th line. Okay, moving on to the minim or half note. It also gets a little black bar, but this sits on the 3rd line, okay? Sits on the 3rd line like that. So you mustn't get them mixed up. There's potential to get them mixed up. Okay, moving on to the crotchet. There's your crotchet or quarter note. Remember, there are 2 names for each note, which you have to know. And I've got a specific way of drawing this. I call this the Voldemort sign. It's the Voldemort scar that Voldemort put on Harry Potter's head. And then I do a backwards C like that. And I think that makes up a very nice crotchet rest. However, you could just put a number 3. You'll see that in the printed version it's different. Try not to copy the printed version. Just do a 3, or let me do it again for you. Voldemort sign, backward 3. Voldemort sign, backwards 3. Sorry, backward C, or just a 3. Okay, moving on to the quaver. The quaver is the black head with 1 little tag, okay? And that you just draw a 7 for. It's very simple. It's like a 7 and it's slap bang in the middle of the stave. And as you go on with the other notes, the semi-quaver with the 2 little flags, you just add the flag on the 7. Later on you'll do a demi-semi-quaver and you simply add the amount of tags you have there, or flags you have there, you put the flags there. Okay, so those are the rests. So let me do them very quickly again. This is a semi-breathe. It's the black bar hanging from the 1, 2, 3, 4th line. The minim or the half note sitting on the 3rd line. The crotchet rest, Voldemort sign with a backward C. The quaver rest and the semi-quaver rest. And they count for the same duration as what the notes do, except it's a duration of not playing as opposed to a duration of playing the notes. Great, thank you.